Talking about my Doha experience, I spent 2 months in Doha and I was working as an on-the-job trainee at the Sheraton Grand Doha, and I was there for the Asian Football Championship. And for the two months I was there working on the floor, and then I was handling the guests, their grievances, and then if they want any assistance, then I was there in the cashiering as well. So these 2 months I've been comprehensively learning a lot. So this all happened because of IIHM, and then because of their exposures and their learning, and I've learned a lot. And we also went to the Kurza factory, wherein we learned about how the crockeries are being made from the scratch itself. We learned how porcelain are made, and then how these how they decorate the porcelain, and then how they send this to the industry, and then how guests take experience in these crockeries. So IIHM emphasizes on a lot of learning outside the classroom, and this is how I have learned all these 3 years. It has been the happening year of my life, and I've learned a lot from outside the classroom, and this is what we have learned. Participating in the events not only opens up as a person, but also as a professional. We get to make a lot of connection and networks in the industry, and then we also get to meet a lot of stalwarts in the industry, and then we learn from their experience. We have a chat with them, and then this is how we learn as well. So talking about the placements, I am selected as a management trainee in ITC as well as management trainee in Hilton. So being a student at IIHM Delhi, the connections that we have over here from the industries, the FIIHMs and everyone, they help us a lot, and then they come to IIHM to take classes, and they take sessions, and then we are obliged to have them in our campus to have them sharing their experience with us. So it has been a wholesome experience. So the first when I came as a 17-year-old teenage girl, and then I was naive. I could not speak. I was a girl with few words, but now I can face the public. I don't have a public fear as such, and then this is how I have transformed from a girl to a woman now who's ready to get into the industry and then rock. So this is how IIHM has thoroughly helped me in opening up, and then now I'm here communicating with you all, talking about my experience. This is how I've transformed. So I was selected from the IIHM Delhi to the Wine Tour, and it was a 10-day fully sponsored tour by IIHM itself, and all the airfare and then accommodation, and then everything was taken care by IIHM, and then they took care very well. And for the first 5 days I've been to Kent, and I was there in the wineries. I was learning in the vineyards about the wine growing procedures, and I tasted a lot of wines, learned about wines a lot. And then in the next 5 days I flew to Scotland, wherein I learned about Scotch whiskies and the distilleries itself. And few such examples are I went to Glencairn, I went to Johnnie Walker, I went to Tullibardine. So these all are the famous distilleries where I have went, and I've learned about the whiskey making procedures there. So it was completely a whole different experience, learning from the book itself, and then being there, knowing how huge or humongous pot still is, and then tasting such good scotch there, and then talking to the distilleries, talking to the whiskey makers, and then knowing from their experience. Everything was a very wholesome experience. So my one such message will be that be ready, and just stay focused, and also be open to more such challenges, because it's quite fun to have these challenges in my life. The faculties have thoroughly helped me, no doubt. To the person I am right now, I'm proud of myself for the changes or the development I have gained. I've imbibed a lot from them, and I am forever grateful to the faculty who've always been there motivating me and supporting me all throughout.